Project Recidivism.
Morning. Junior, Babara. If you get a kind of, we'll see what's going on today.
This gentleman here is Philip. He once lived in Hawaii for many years. Let's listen to his story.
How we doing on? A lot.
Our friend Philip was deported back in the early 2000s to his island state of Kosrae. It was never been easy for him. I met Philip when I was a detective with the Kosrae State Police Force. So I'm reflecting on his story. Finding a job with the background as such was hard on the island. With a criminal background like such, it already complicates the opportunity for an employment out here. Though out here on the island is no different than any other places out there in the world. Although this group of young men are here with me today, they either are released on probation or they either are released on house arrest with conditions to go back to jail if they disobeyed the order. And so during my time at the Kosrae State Police Force, I keep seeing the same guys keep coming back into the system for violation of their parole. I would conversate with them, try to get to know them better, to see how can we keep them out, to stay out and not coming back to jail within a short period of time. I am the founder of Liberty Security Services. We have been in business since 2017. Our services is not limited to on-site guarding, digital video surveillance, cyber security, and etc. There's a percentage in our workforce here at Liberty Security that are either probation or deportees that are working with us today. Since the year 2018, I have been working with a project that would keep these guys out of jail, keep them occupied, give them jobs, and have them be productive citizens of the society or within the community. This project is identified as Project Recidivism. It's a re-entry program for such individuals that are released on probation, those who have been deported from another country back into our island, and yes, those who are on house arrest. Those within this project can be seen regularly on the side of the road performing landscaping duties or maintenance work. Our main goal here is to really make an impact in the lives of these individuals with the little resources that we have available. Here I conversate with Philip to one of our job sites.
I'm thinking, man, I'm not going to keep it. You know, man, what is it? Go to that. As fact, I'm not seeing very force from betting again. I know yes, I'm going to mount out. They study again, I'm going to get back again.
I don't know why I think so,
Where, Barrow? But she got not jungle guy. Oh, yeah. They are working. Taase siis rakat losla kema kantai rakat jalla tatsen lagi moya singe aulia kitten agikati obla ga yung deportee sila deportee ini logo that's right. Rakat nari kapare gitu deh.
This project has been funded within the company for the past 4 to 5 years, and we are hopeful to see positive impact within the community as well as within the lives of these young individuals. We will continue to commit to this endeavor. We still have some gaps to close within the project. Our research and development area is in tier need for ideas. The funding aspect of the project is limited to the upcoming year. We appreciate your comment, like, and subscribe.